Here we've got an assortment of vintage John Deere tractor parts, as you can tell by the green. And I don't know even what all we got. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's part of it. This other stuff is. And you know, if somebody needs to outfit several old vintage John Deere tractors, holler at me. There's a lot of stuff here. Springs, you know, gears. Cool looking stuff, but I don't have a John Deere tractor.